Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a super cute snowman inside a shiny snow globe. Get your pencil ready, sit comfy, and let's start right away. Okay, first let's draw the eyes. Two little round eyes, small but full of sparkle, like he's just spotted a snowflake landing on his nose. Draw them evenly, not too far apart, or he might look a bit funny. Perfect! Now let's draw his nose. Of course, it's a carrot. Draw a long, pointy triangle right in the middle of his face. Do you smell that? The smell of carrot freshness? If your snowman had a real carrot nose, would you eat it? I think I might take a tiny bite, just one. Next, the mouth. A big, happy smile made of tiny dots or a curved line. Our snowman is definitely the cheerful type, the one who laughs even when it's snowing sideways. Now, let's draw his head. A simple circle around the face we've just made. Keep your hand steady, nice and round, not too oval. Snowmen love being perfectly round. It's their thing. We'll give him a warm, fuzzy winter hat. Start with a round shape on top of his head, then draw the ribbed edge that wraps around. Add a fluffy pom-pom on top because every snowman needs one to look fabulous. You can even make the stripes on the hat so it looks cozy and cute. What color do you think his hat will be? I'm thinking red and white, classic snowman fashion. Next comes the scarf. Draw a thick scarf wrapping around his neck with a few hanging ends. Add stripes if you like. Make it look warm enough for a blizzard. The scarf keeps him stylish and stops his snowy neck from freezing, obviously. Which color scarf are you imagining? Blue? Red? Rainbow? Tell me in the comments. Time to draw the buttons on his chest. 2 or 3 round buttons right down the middle. You can make them. Now, let's give him arms. They're just 2 stick arms reaching out, one on each side. Draw them slightly bent, like he's waving hello. Don't forget the tiny stick fingers. They make him look extra friendly. I bet if he could talk, he'd say, "Hey, give me a high five." Then, we'll draw the lower snowball, the big round part of his body. Make it big and round like a fluffy snow mound. This part holds everything together. It's the base of our chilly buddy. Now it's time for the snow globe. Draw a big circle around the snowman. It's like a magical bubble keeping him safe and sparkly. Take your time, make sure it's nice and smooth. If your circle isn't perfect, that's totally fine. Real snowmen are never perfectly round anyway. That's part of their charm. Make him look extra friendly, like he's about to say, "Hey, nice to meet you, snow buddy." Inside the globe, we'll add all the magic of winter. Let's draw the base of the snow globe next. Draw 2 big round layers under the globe. The top part holds the glass, and the bottom part is thick and strong. You can add some waves or zigzags to decorate it. It's like the fancy stand in a Christmas shop window. I think it looks amazing already. What do you think? Now, let's draw a couple of pine trees behind the snowman, one on each side. They'll make the scene cozy and full of winter vibes. Draw them with layers, like soft, fluffy snow sitting on each branch. Imagine the smell of pine in the cold air. So fresh, right? And now, the most magical part, snowflakes. Draw little dots and tiny circles falling all around the snowman inside the globe. Big ones, small ones, mix them up. It's snowing inside forever. Our snowman is living his best life. Every day is a snow day. There we go. We finished drawing the whole picture. The snowman, the globe, the trees, the snow, it's all here. Now say it with me, friends. It's time to color. All right, while we color our happy snowman, let's talk about some fun and frosty facts about snow and snowmen. Ready? Let's melt into some cool knowledge. Fact 1. Did you know that every single snowflake is different? Yep, no 2 snowflakes in the world have the same shape. Each one forms in the sky when water freezes onto tiny dust particles. The shape depends on temperature, wind, and even how they bump into each other. Some are shaped like stars, some like crystals, and some like teeny snow pizzas. So if someone says you're one of a kind, just say, "like a snowflake." Next time you see snow, remember, you're basically holding a tiny piece of sky art. Next fact, people have been making snowmen for hundreds of years. The very first recorded snowman appeared way back in the 1300s. Can you imagine building one without gloves back then? Brr. In medieval times, snowmen were like art. People built them to show off their creativity. Some even looked like kings and queens. If you could build a snowman today, what would you decorate it with? Maybe sunglasses, a pizza slice, or a little crown? Next fact, the tallest snowman ever built was over 122 feet tall. That's as tall as a 12-story building. It was made in Maine, USA, and it took hundreds of people to finish it. The snowman's eyelashes were made from skis, and the buttons were giant tires. Can you imagine standing next to it? You'd look like a snow ant. So next time you make a small snowman, don't worry, he's just a mini version of a snow giant. Next fact, snow isn't actually white. Wait, what? Yup, it's true. Snow is made of tiny ice crystals that reflect all colors of light, which makes it look white. If you look closely, it's actually clear. So the next time you draw snow, you're technically coloring clear reflections of sunlight. Sounds fancy, right? Like, I'm painting with light. Next fact, in some countries, people build snowmen with creative twists. In Japan, they make Yuki Dharma, a snowman with only 2 snowballs instead of 3. In Switzerland, there's a festival where they build a giant snowman and burn it to welcome spring. And in America, snowmen often wear scarves and hats because, well, fashion. Which type would you make? Traditional or funky? I'd give mine headphones and a cup of hot cocoa. Next fact, there's even a world record for the fastest snowman built, under 2 minutes. It's basically the snow version of a speed run. Imagine, scoop, roll, stack, done. Maybe next winter, you could challenge your friends and beat that record. Just remember to wear gloves, or your hands will feel like popsicles. Next fact, snow makes everything quieter. When snow covers the ground, it absorbs sound, so the world feels peaceful, calm, and almost magical. That's why snowy mornings are so quiet. If you listen closely, it's like the world is whispering, "Shh, let's enjoy the snow." Our snow globe feels just like that, calm, sparkly, and full of gentle winter magic. Next fact, snowmen have even been to outer space. Well, sort of. NASA once sent a snowman-shaped object into space to study icy asteroids. So technically, there's been a snowman floating in the stars. Can you imagine a snowman saying, "Houston, we have a flake problem"? If your snowman could go anywhere, would he visit the moon or the beach? Next fact, some scientists say snow can smell. Fresh snow sometimes carries scents from the air, like pine trees, campfires, or even flowers nearby. So when you smell snow, you're actually smelling tiny frozen pieces of the world around you. Next time you draw or imagine snow, take a deep breath. It's like nature's perfume. And here's a fun one. Snowmen are the ultimate teamwork project. You can't roll giant snowballs alone. It's always more fun with friends. Each snowman is a reminder that when we work together, we can build something amazing. So, if you're coloring this snowman with someone else right now, give them a big snowy high five. And there we go. Our snowman inside his beautiful snow globe is all done. Look at him. Cozy hat, shiny scarf, glowing snowflakes. It's perfect. You did such an amazing job today. If you had fun, don't forget to like and come back for more awesome drawings next time. See you soon, my little artists. And remember, stay cool, stay creative, and keep smiling like our happy snowman.